are discussing this factorization method, how to solve a quadratic equation by factorization method, and for that we attempt so many questions. Now today let us do one more question. This x square plus 6x, x square plus 6x plus 8 is equivalent to 0. By this factorization method, here we know what is A is 1, what is this B is 6, and C is 8. We know that we have the general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So A is the coefficient of x square and B is the coefficient of x and c is a constant term. Here the coefficient of x square is 1. What is the coefficient of x? It is 6. And what is c? C is the coefficient in this constant term, that's 8. Now we shall multiply here A into C. This is very important. That's 1 into 8 is equal to 8. Now we will break this middle term. We will break this middle term 6x in such a way such that their product is equal to 8. That is like this x square plus 4x plus 2x. Now see, 4x plus 2x is equal to 6x and 4 2s are this 8. Plus 8 is equal to 0. So taking x common from these two, so we are left with x plus 4. Here we take 2 common, x plus 4 again is equal to 0. X plus 4 and x plus 4, this is x plus 4 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now either x plus 4 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is minus 4. This is the value of x, one value. So this is here, x is equal to minus 2. This is the second value. This is the how it goes factorization method. Very simple. One more question I will show here. This is 2x square plus 5x. Sorry, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. This question is in your book. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we are going to solve this by this factorization method. Here A is equal to 2 and what is B? It is minus 7. What is C? It is 3. A into C, this is 2 into 3, this is 6. Now break this middle term in such a way such that their product is equal to 6. Such that their product is equal to 6. So we write here 2x square minus 7x. Now this is like this, minus 6x minus x. 6x minus 1x is equal to minus 7x and 6 ones are 6 plus 3 is equal to 0. Taking 2x common from these two, we are left with x minus 3. Here we should take minus 1 common and we are left with x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x minus 3 is here, x minus 3 is here. Among these two we write just 1, x minus 3 into what we have taken common is 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we will write like this, either x minus 3 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3 is the one value and 2x is equal to 1. What is x? X is equal to 1 by 2. So x has got two values, 3 and 1 by 2. This is the factorization method. And these questions you will attempt all these questions at your places. This is your homework. You please note these questions and you will try them at your places. Question number 1 is x square plus 6x plus 6x minus 16 is equal to 0 by factorization method. Second is x square minus 10x plus 9 is equal to 0. Third is x square minus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. 12 is equal to 0. And question number 4. Question number 4 is 3x square minus 8x minus 3 is equal to 0. And fifth part is 7x square minus 16x plus 4 is equal to 0. And last part is sixth part, 5x square minus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0. There is another part, 2x square. Seventh part is 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. So you shall apply this factorization method. You will try all these questions at your home. It's very simple. Now second method, a very important method, is completing square method. Today we shall discuss this completing square method. Now what is completing square method? So one question is, suppose one question is here, 2x square, this is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now let us solve this quadratic equation by making use of this completing square method. Now what is completing square method is, step by step you will remember this. This is 2x square minus 7x is equal to minus 3. First of all, you will shift this constant term towards right hand side. This is step number 1. Now adding both sides, not before this, we have one more method. We shall divide each term by 2. So what is left here? X square minus 7 by 2x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So first step is that you will shift this constant term towards right hand side, then dividing each term by the quotient of x square. What is here quotient of x square? It is 2. So you are dividing each term by this 2. We divide this 2x square by 2, this 7x by 2, and this 3 by 2. So first step is, you will shift this constant term towards right hand side, then you will divide each term by the quotient of x square. Here we see that quotient of x square is 2, and we are dividing this 2x square divided by 2, minus 7x divided by 2, and minus 3 divided by 2. 2 and 2 will go, we are left with x square minus 7 by 2x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now adding 1 by 2 into quotient of x. What is quotient of x? It is minus 7 by 2 whole square to both sides. This is very important step. Now what you are doing is, you are adding both sides, 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, and quotient of x. What is quotient of x here? Minus 7 by 2. Went wrong. This is 3x square minus 8x plus minus 8x minus 3 is equal to 0. This is 3x square minus 8x is equal to 3. This is 3x square dividing each term by this 3. So we are left with x square minus 8 by 3x is equal to 1. Now adding 1 by 2 into quotient of x, that is 8 by 3 whole square. This 8 ones are 8, 3 twos are 6 whole square. This term we are going to add to both sides. So this x square minus 8 by 3x plus 8 by 6 whole square is equal to 1 plus 8 by 6 whole square. This term we are adding to both sides. So we are left with x 18 by 6 whole square is equivalent to 1 plus 8 are 64, 6 6 are 36 divided by 1. So against x minus 8 by 6 whole square is equivalent, this is 36 plus 64 divided by 36. So this is further x minus 8 by 6 whole square is equivalent to 100 divided by 36. So x minus 8 by 6 is equivalent plus minus under root of 100 divided by 36. Now x minus 8 by 6 is equivalent plus minus under root of, this is 10 by 6 whole square, square and root will go, and x minus 8 by 6 is equivalent plus minus 10 by 6. So x is equivalent, this will be 8 by 6 plus minus 10 by 6. Now solving further, this is 8 plus 10 by 6 and 8 minus 10 by 6. So this is 18 by 6 and this is minus 2 by 6. 6 ones are 6, 3s are 2, 1s are 2, 3s are. So x is equal to 3 and minus 1 by 3. These are the two values. Get me? Now step by step you will remember this. 3x square minus 8x minus 3 is equal to 0. What shall you do is, first of all you will shift this constant term towards right hand side. So it will become 3x square minus 8x is equal to 3. Now what are you doing is, third step is you are dividing each term by the quotient of x square, that is 3. Here we divide 3x square divided by 3 minus 8x divided by 3 is equal to 3 by 3. Now 3 and 3 will get cancelled. We are left with x square minus 8 by 3x is equal to 3 and 3 cancels. We are left with 1. Now all important step is you are adding both sides 1 by 2 into quotient of x whole square. What is 1 by 2? 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 and quotient of x here is 8 by 3 whole square. 8 1s are 8, 3 2s are 6. Since this is minus, I don't write here minus because we are squaring this. Minus into minus is again plus, so there is no need to write here minus. So 8 by 6 whole square. This term you are adding it to both sides, to left hand side as well as to right hand side. So it is like this: x square minus 8 by 3 plus 8 by 6 whole square on left hand side and 1 plus 8 by 6 on whole square on right hand side. Solving this further, this will, here you are computing your square. X square minus 8 by 3x plus 8 by 6 whole square. Now this will become a minus b whole square. For a we have here x, and for b we are having here 8 by 6 whole square. Since middle term is minus, therefore it will become a minus b whole square. Had it been here plus, therefore it would have become a plus b whole square. So here it is a minus b whole square. For a you have here x, and for b 8 by 6 whole square is equal to 1, and you are squaring this 8 are 64 and 6 are 36. By cross, x minus 8 by 6 whole square is equal to 36 1s are 36, 64 1s are 64 divided by 36, and x minus 8 by 6 whole square is equal to 100 divided by 36, and x minus 8 by 6, see this square will go, and for this we have here under root. So this is 100 under root of 100 divided by 36. So this is the perfect square here. 10 by 6. For 100 we have here 10 square, and for 36 square whole square, square and root will go. We are left with x minus 8 by 6 is equal to plus minus 10 divided by 6. X is equal to 8 by 6. Sorry, this minus 8 by 6 we shift it to this to right hand side. It will become 8 by 6 plus minus 10 by 6. Now solving further, x we have got two values for x. 8 plus, first of all you will give it plus, then minus. So the denominators are same. 8 plus 10 by 6, then 8 minus 10 by 6. 8 plus 10 is 18 by 6, and 8 minus 10 is minus 2 divided by 6. So this is 3 and 1 by 3. These are the two values for x. Inshallah tomorrow we shall further discuss this computed square method. Till then,